Animal Kingdom. It was a very crowded day. Like, all I did was ride Everest and eat. I do, however, want to go ahead and film this room tour because I am here at the Yacht Club. And yeah, like I said, I'm on the first floor. So I'm going to do this quick room tour and then I'm going to take a shower and go to bed. It has been a long travel day. I have been up since 3 a.m. this morning. I'm ready for bed for sure, but I definitely want to show you guys around my room. So this is obviously the front door. This light switch here, which very similar to French Quarter, is like the same height. Then you come into the room. Towards the right here, you have a little coffee station, which there's a light right here. And it has a Keurig with Joffrey's Resort Blend and Joffrey's Decaf and tea and an ice bucket. And the good thing about this ice bucket is I'm literally right across the hall from the ice machine, so that is a very good thing if you're in this room. Below it has this chest. I love the hardware in the Yacht Club. It is very to theme. It has the beverage cooler, so it's not quite a full fridge. It is a beverage cooler, and it has this drawer as well, so you can keep little things. Again, super compact. This is a renovated room, clearly, so love that. Then over to the left here, you have the sliding door to close the bathroom. It's very nice wood hardware. It's very gorgeous. And you step into the bathroom. I love that there's a double sink. When I stayed at the boardwalk, there was not a double sink. So I love that. You have the dryer and a little trash can here, 2 towel racks. You have H2O products here. Or is it not H2O anymore? I think it's just Disney Resorts now. It's no longer called H2O. I think it's just Disney Resorts. But you have body lotion, a vanity kit, shower cap, mouthwash, and bath soap. Makeup mirror, and then 2 lamps to add to the light situation. And then over here you have a door, creaky, to the commode. Already prefer this room over boardwalk. Like, just look at the bathroom. It's so, like, and again, this is a renovated room, so, but there's so much room for activities. Like, you have another trash can here. You have a toilet paper holder, obviously, but then you have this one that's holding the extra one. Then you have the shower, which is gorgeous. Again, you have, oh good, but in here it's called H2O Plus. I don't know what's going on with the whole H2O line, but you have some more H2O products, and then you have the rainfall shower and handheld shower thing. This is the exact same fixture as Pop Century, but it has the, of course, stand-up shower. I don't know if you can request a tub. It's just me, and I don't have children, so you would have to inquire about that. But then coming out of the bathroom, you have this wardrobe situation. So like I said earlier, I was trying to find the full-length mirror. It is in here, which is kind of awkward, but I mean, it is what it is. So you have some shelving units up at the top, hanging space, a little slanted area, I'm assuming for luggage, I don't know. Then you have a luggage rack and some more shelving units. And then on this panel, you have the mirror. Very strange, but I mean, you know, I love that it has internal lighting though. That's super fun. Makes it feel a little bit more fancier. Cannot wait to unpack in here. And then to the left, you have some more storage, and then some more storage. You have a steam iron, which is the same at Coronado Springs actually, and then a folded mini ironing board, which is hilarious. Trying to figure that out. A nice size safe, so if you use safes at a hotel, this would be great for a laptop. And then some more storage down towards the bottom. Into the main room, I have a king standard view. So I know at the Yacht Club you can get a standard deluxe. I doubt this is a standard deluxe. I honestly couldn't tell you. I doubt it though, because I think the standard deluxe have a little kitchenette situation. But it's king bed, which I prefer staying by myself. But coming around here, you have some nice nautical artwork. Oh, with a hidden Mickey. Then you have this really nice, again, I love the hardware. You can tell when a room's renovated because they have outlets built into the furniture. Just a little side table with all these fun little drawer situations. You have the bed, again, king size. And each side of the bed have these reading lights, which is fun. And then you also have over the bed lamps as well. So, I mean, you can really light up this room. On the bed when I came in, of course, there was a Mickey towel with this cute little card that I'm going to keep. And then this is the chest of drawers. Don't mind my stuff on there, but again, you have some more outlets and USB ports. You have these really nice drawers. Like, this furniture is gorgeous. And then for your convenience, an extra pillow and blanket have been placed in the TV cabinet. Should you need further assistance, please touch the housekeeping button on your in-room phone. Okay. Cool beans. Then again, don't mind my stuff. You have a recycling bin over here. You have this cute little desk area, like a little study area nook. Again, tons of USBs and outlets, which I appreciate because before that was not a thing. And then you have a little mirror here, and then this chair pulls out to reveal a mini desk. So if you get room service, they'll put it on this desk for you. And then of course we have Magic Mickey over here. I'm not gonna say what it is. Over here by the bed, we have another bedside table with safety, some more plugs, the phone, this really nice chair. I mean, it's really nice blue chair, and then a lamp. And then one of my favorite things about this room is the curtains. It has all of the constellations, but it's Disney characters. So this is Mousimus Loveliest, which is Minnie. And then you have Dragoness Impulsiveness, which is Mushu. Like, that's so fun. So I wish they would sell this. I kind of want it though. But like, can we get like a pink version? And then I am on the first floor. I'm not a huge first floor room person because of critters, but I don't mind it in the winter months because the critters are gone. But I have like a patio, and this patio is massive. Let me show you guys what's going on. Did I just lock it? I did. Like, and technically this is a standard view, but I have a room of the garden, like, and the boardwalk. Look at that. Whoa, I have a pretty good view. But like, this is my area. Like, tons of room for activities, which is crazy. Wow. I'm obsessed. I love these curtains. Oh my God. I think the Yacht Club is my new favorite resort, not gonna lie to you. So that, of course, is my room tour here at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. I've only stayed at the Boardwalk as my other deluxe resort, and I stayed in the Boardwalk Villas. Definitely the Boardwalk Villas need an upgrade. I am thoroughly pleased with my room here at the Yacht Club. It is clean, it is nice, it is updated, it is huge, tons of room for activity. And I plan on just taking it easy this Disney vacation. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot different than my other ones. Literally here to eat, drink, and relax and ride Guardians as many times as physically possible. So tonight I had my birthday dinner at Tiffin's. I splurged a little bit, and I will get my full review over in what I eat in a weekend at Disney World video. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the evening, and we will pick up the vlog. Tomorrow I'm headed to Epcot. Clearly, I'm at an Epcot resort, so I'm gonna spend the majority of my time here at Epcot. We gotta christen Mickey cartoons. Look at the TV. Wow. Mickey cartoons. There they are. Oh, it might be bedtime stories though. Where? I will say I did watch the Marvels on the plane. Delta has really great movies up there. Like, they had the Barbie movie, they had Coraline, they had like really good stuff. But I watched the Marvels because I hadn't watched the Marvels. It's not my favorite Marvel movie by any means, It's not even my top 5 Marvel movies, to be quite honest with y'all. But I mean, it was a movie and I watched it all on the plane. So yeah. Anywho, I will see you guys in the morning, hopefully on my vlogging camera. I did film this on my phone just because my camera died. So, you know, all is fair in technology. But good night. See you tomorrow.